Today we have a video from ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is "Teen Punched a Cop Twice and Still Thought He Could Hide Here."
On November 2nd, 2025, police in Villa Park, Illinois attempted to stop a speeding Hyundai Palisade. Instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated, launching officers into a dangerous high-speed pursuit through residential streets. Investigators say the SUV reached speeds of more than 113 miles per hour in a 30-mile-per-hour zone.
Alex, they're coming your way. We're passing Villa right now. Right there. Come on. Alright, we're continuing westbound past Dartmoor. Alright, we're continuing westbound past Dartmoor. Good stick, good stick.
The chase came to an end when officers deployed spike strips, forcing the vehicle to stop. But the situation wasn't over.
Can never go wrong with the spikes.
Front tire, approaching Westmore, slowing down speeds of 45.
See, the spikes that get a car to act right.
Northbound, it's going to come out west onto Westmore.
Get your ass together.
Driver's side.
Look, got them together.
Northbound, Westmore. Go, Dan, go. Eastbound Holly, he just lost a wheel, or lost a tire.
Oh, lost a person too.
Slow roll, 10 miles an hour.
Oh my God. The IQ on the officer. Oh my God. That's elite IQ right there. Oh my God. To pin him in and block him in from the driver's door from escaping. That's elite. That's elite thinking right there. That is high level thinking. I've done a couple of these chases and I've never seen that. That is, yo, this guy is on point. This guy is gonna make sergeant one day, man. This is high level thinking right here. Look at that. Oh.
After the spike strips disabled the SUV, the vehicle finally came to a stop. But instead of
Damn, he got split in half by the pole. Oh my goodness.
After the spike strips disabled the SUV, the vehicle finally came to a stop. But instead of surrendering, the occupants quickly bailed out. 4 people jumped from the Hyundai and scattered in different directions, running through the neighborhood as officers gave chase on foot.
Get the down! I'll tase the out of you. Get down, you're under arrest! We got 3 on foot. I'm chasing 1 eastbound, Holly and Bierman. Male Hispanic, white hoodie, gray jeans. Stay down! I'm gonna tase you again. I got punched in the face. Get him! He punched me in the face. Get down!
You're gonna tear your ass up now.
Get down! I'm gonna shoot you. Get the down now. Get out!
You punch him in the face. He said, "You punch me in the face. You better act right, or I'ma send you up through there, boy. I'ma send you up through there." Cuz said, "You punch me in the face? You better act right, cause I'ma send you up through there, man. I'ma send you to them gates. You about to be knocking on them gates." Look, his hands is up, got his ass together. Got his ass to get you punch me in the face? Really? You better act right. I'm gonna send you up through there, boy.
Get down. I'm gonna shoot you. Get the down now. Get out of your face.
I was just fighting with Bill Clark. Hit him in the face a couple times. Get on the ground.
I'm in an alley. I got a county guy with me. Take him into
Lay
custody.
on your face.
Stupid. Hope
You
went to
punch
jail.
me in the
That's where
face?
you're going.
You good?
Victor one, I got one in custody. I'm on Bierman. You yourself? You yourself. I smell because I smell
Let me up. Shut the up.
If anybody's still near the car, if they could secure my squad and turn off the siren, that'd be appreciated. Woo! You watch, I gotta grab my baton.
Bierman. Copy, one in custody. We got one outstanding. We have a description. Update location so far.
I got a county guy with me. Take him into custody.
Stand by.
52, still looking for one.
0352.
Probably get a car to go over the 315 North
Dark
Ardmore.
traveling eastbound in the westbound lanes, dark sedan.
Okay,
Right there.
I'll be out at Bierman checking area for any of the health centers.
Call it up there.
23, I copy.
Bring the truck down, Bierman now. Bierman now. Right there, stop. Come back, come back, come back. Stop right there.
Here a minute,
Come up to the division.
coming to division.
Just division. East side of the street.
Philip Park, let me see your hands.
Another unit headed that way.
Echo 3M over here. I'm gonna take the
No.
right.
Victor 2. He's most likely trying to get home. We need cars. One block east is where we lost eyes from Bierman and Elm.
Damn, I got it.
Block East, Spearman.
If he lay low, he'll get away.
Ardmore, according to.
What's the description?
Victor 2 was a skinny build, 5'9", all black.
Any red bandana? We have one in the park. Shut the f up.
I just want to shut the fuck up, man. You bogus as fuck.
Huh?
You bogus as shit. Well, I don't got shit, man.
I don't give a f. You go to jail. You punch me in the face. You stupid.
I apologize.
No apologizing. Guess where you go? The DuPage County Jail. You can't punch a cop. That's a felony. How old are you?
18.
Yeah, that's right. Perfect. What's your name? What's your name? Tell me. Isaac. Remember me?
What's your face?
Alright. Remember me? You wanted to fight me in your living room. Guess you got your chance.
You're right, bud.
Yep. And guess who won? I did.
You did it right.
Stand up.
Hello. What's up?
You ain't trying. Get up.
What's up, brother? What's up, brother? My pants, brother.
I don't care about your pants. Stand up.
I'm trying to. Let me put my pants up.
Your pants. Stand up.
I'm pretty set up.
He's in here. In the garage? Yeah, no, this door right here. I just can't find it. There it is. Coming over, ready.
Ticket 31, what's your updated location, guys?
Come out right now with your hands up!
Man, how did they find him?
You guys are good.
233, we're at Elman Bierman on the corner. Elman Bierman, corner house. Northeast side of the street.
Come out with your hands up! Do it now, you will get tased!
Ticket 31, can we send some Walmart officers in here to help us out?
Okay, go ahead and go to the end and then pop it open.
Lincoln 33, I think there's 3 of them there already.
Ready? Come on with your hands up! We didn't do nothing. That's you. No, it isn't. Let's go. Now. Listen, he ran through the police.
Oh.
A car. They stole a car. Ground. Not resist. I'm not resisting. We got him. Yeah. I ain't doing that. I know who it is. You've dealt with him before. He's in a lot of trouble.
That's my son. That's my son. He's a good boy. He had dreams and aspirations of being a doctor. That's how all the moms be on the news. When they kid get caught up in something, you know, and then the moms be on the news, or the family in general, they be on the news. He was a good boy. He wanted to be a doctor. He didn't harm anybody. You know, they say the same old thing. You know what I mean? Meanwhile, their kid is out here as a menace to society. He's on demon time, okay? Terrorizing the streets.
I did not do that. Who else do we have left?
It's one outstanding.
Okay, do we have a location, last scene, anything?
No idea. This is the one that we saw around here. Correct.
And
The main kid is Isaac. There's one outstanding. They're somewhere in the area. They're all local kids.
Why are you so aggressive?
Oh, you tried to punch me in the face. Not try. You did punch me in the face, and you ran from 3 different police departments. So excuse me for not being in the most friendly mood right now. Yeah, you can't run from the police. You go to jail for it. So when you're done with me, you get to deal with a couple other towns. Right now, I get priority because I caught you. Throw him in the car for now. We'll have Lefty come get him.
Hold on, he's got the thing right in his goddamn. Hold on, he'll be okay. Just stand right here. Are you gonna go chase somebody else down?
I would love to. I would like to put him in my car, though. He's in my custody.
I'm gonna get him his medical because my guy.
The medical's coming.
I'm gonna take care of that. Go get your other guy.
Yeah, the only thing is that with these guys, it's personal because clearly that cop and him have ran into each other before. Like, you know, because he's talking about a prior incident. Like earlier, they were talking about a prior incident where they wanted to get into a fight in the living room or something like that. So they probably know each other outside of this, you know, or whatever the case may be, something. So I could see that cop being all kind of, you know, he kind of getting in his feelings a little bit. Like, yeah, I want to throw him in the car. I get priority. You know, and the other guy's like, listen, we still got one more, you know, on the loose. Like, all right, put the emotions to the side. Let's get back to work here.
I would love to. I would like to put him in my car, though. He's in my custody.
I'm gonna get him his medical because my guy.
The medical's coming.
I'm gonna take care of that. Go get your other guy.
While the driver was taken into custody, the investigation didn't end there. Police say the SUV had 4 occupants, all of whom ran when the vehicle stopped. One of the passengers was later identified and transferred to another police department to be processed on an unrelated larceny warrant, While authorities continued investigating the involvement of the remaining individuals connected to the chase, 18-year-old Isaac Davila was transported to the police station and read his Miranda rights. After confirming he understood them, Davila declined to answer questions and requested an attorney. He was charged with aggravated battery to a police officer and several other offenses tied to the high-speed pursuit. During his first court appearance, a DuPage County judge granted the state's motion to detain him, ordering that Davila remain in custody while the case moves forward.
Yeah, young and dumb. Young and dumb. That's my son. That's my son. He's a good kid. Yo, that shit always be killing me, man. That shit be so funny as hell. That should be funny as hell, man. Like, they got one story around here. They killed this Asian kid a few years back. The cops, then they killed this Asian kid. And, but the kid, the reason what was going on, he kept robbing houses. So they was looking for him, you know, had him in the area and stuff like that. And then they end up catching up with the kid, and then they just like stopped him on the street, you know, to wanted to pat him down or whatever. And so they pat him down and everything, and then the kid takes off running. Boom. So now the cops and the kid is on the police chase. Boom. So on foot. Now the guy, he pulls something out of his waist or whatever, and he looks back and you know, and what it was a replica, like BB Glock gun, like not a regular Glock. It was like a BB gun Glock, but it looked just like a Glock, like it had the logo and everything. And so yeah, anyway, they end up catching them and getting them together, sending them to the gates. And you know, and it was a whole uproar and everything, you know, the whole Asian community popped out, whole uproar. And you know, they're on there, yeah, my kid was, you know, this and that, and he had dreams and aspirations of whatever. And it's like, bruh, this guy he was just robbing homes the past 3 nights in a row, and then he gets stopped by the cops and ran from the cops and pointed at the cop what looked like a real firearm. It looked like a real firearm. And then they sent them up through there. It sounds like a great kid to me. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable, man. They kids be menace to society, man. And they get on the news, act like they kid ain't do no wrong. Oh boy. That's part of the problem right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.